Friends, here we are talking about formatting JSON data. See, sometimes it's necessary to transform JSON data into another formats like CSV and TSV. Nothing but comma separated values and tab separated values. And we can format the JSON data into CSV or TSV using JQ only if each value of array is also an array. That means your input JSON data is an array and also each value in your array is also an array. Let me show you the example. See, suppose I have a file called, let's say, test.json. See that? It is an array where each value is also an array. Suppose if you have any input array where values as objects, then first you have to convert each object into an array, and then we will apply the logic to convert that data into CSV or TSV format. And this is the syntax to convert JSON data into CSV format and JSON data into TSV format. Now let me show you that. First let me take test.json file. So here we have data as an array, and in that each value is also an array. So this is the correct format to convert your JSON data into CSV or TSV. Suppose if you want to convert this data into CSV, then first of all you have to take one by one value from your array in this way. And on each value you just apply a syntax called @CSV. And here suppose if you pass -or option, then output format is clear. That's it. Now same data you can also convert into TSV. And here either for CSV format or TSV format we can also add headers. Let me show you that. See, suppose if you convert your data into CSV format, here I need header like, let's say, ID, name and usage. So for that, before applying your logic, create one array value where data is like, let's say, ID, name and one more value, usage, comma. That's it. See the result? So same syntax you can also use for your TSV. See that? So here and here you are getting header now. Now suppose I have a file called, let's say, iamusers.json. See here I want to convert users info, nothing but this array of values, into CSV format. Then how we can do it? So first of all, to convert your data into CSV or TSV format, input must be an array. So here if you take .users, you will get output as an array. That output we will take it as an input to CSV or TSV. See, jq.users on iamusers.json. So now your input is an array, but each value in your array is not an array, it is an object. So that's why what I do is I will convert all these values into an array. So for that, see how I am doing it. See, simply first of all I am reading one by one value from your array. Now on each object I am applying logic like I want to create each object as an array, and in that I need values like, let's say, path, username, user ID, ARN, create date. Now see the result. Now each value you are getting as an array. So on this output you can apply either CSV or TSV format. So now I am applying @CSV. That's it. And if you apply -or option, then your output is clean. That's it. And here also, suppose if you want header, then at very first, before applying your logic, here I am creating an array with values like, let's say, path, username, user ID, ARN, create date, and then separate this array and your array of values. And here for your logic, I mean converting array of objects into array of arrays. So for that you have to provide parentheses like this. Now see that you got header now. Same logic you can apply for TSV also. That's it. So here CSV1 is very important compared to TSV. That is mostly useful in your real time. Okay, thank you.